Ice. Ice. Pharmacy. Look at this. Kids place. We're about to leave now. Thank you for watching. Pharmacy there. I spent $90. $90. Feminine hygiene, women's incontinence, vitamins. Lots of vitamins here and diet replacement. Allergy or cold, Texas cold and allergy reliefs. Yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, let's go. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Look at this here. Flowers here. $1. Wow. Cactus $1. And look at this. $16. So nice. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Please enjoy and God bless everyone. Parking lot there. Whoa, big truck and big guy over there. Okay, let's go now. Barbecue pets. Ooh, smells today. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, where we park? Over there. Have a blessed day, everyone.